Good evening, everyone. Today I'm discussing about the formation of a mirage. Okay, this is for intermediate physics of class 12. Okay, so mirage occurs due to the total internal reflection of light. During hot summer days, the air near the ground becomes hotter than the air at the higher levels. This is the second thing. As a result, the upward layers becomes denser than the lower layers. When a light traveling from the top of the tree enters a rarer medium, it is refracted away from normal. Okay, here mirage have absolutely nothing to do with water. Okay, it all comes down to travel light through the air only. Light waves from sun are normally will travel to straight through the atmospheric to your eye. Okay, and here the light from a tall object such as tree passes through a medium whose refractive index decreases towards the ground at some point depending on the position of observer. Okay, actually, where can you see the mirages? You see the mirages when you're traveling to the desert. Okay, and they can be found on highways, airports, and somewhere like even hot beach sand. Okay, mirages can be seen everywhere the ground absorbs a lot of heat, and here an observer standing far away. Okay, an observer standing far away will see the mirage. Therefore, inverted images of distant tall objects can cause an optical illustration. This is called as mirage. And when we are going to the critical angle also, the mirage is formed. The mirage phenomenon is formed. Define critical angle, explain internal reflection using a neat diagram. Okay, when light rays are traveling from denser to rarer medium, the angle of incidence, that is IC, okay, corresponding to the which angle of refraction is 90 degrees, which angle is 90 degrees the refraction, so it is called as critical angle. Okay, you this is the formula of a critical angle, sine inverse 1 by mu. Okay, and about the total internal reflection also I show you the diagram by coming to the forward. Okay, this mirage and the critical angle total internal reflection both are same, I mean it's similar. Okay, and here the total internal reflection diagram is here. Okay, yes, why the setting sun appear red? Sunlight travel through the earth atmosphere gets scattered by the atmospheric particles. This scattering of sunlight is responsible for the color the sky during sunrise or sunset. Okay, and here when we see the sun, an orange or red sun in the early morning or late evening, actually it is a sight to behold. Okay, the sky takes vivid due to phenomenon. Actually that phenomenon will call it as Rayleigh scattering. Okay, and this scattering and this blue light scatters easily in the atmosphere, so the daytime sky appears blue. Okay, and this sunlight that we see is a type of electromagnetic radiation that is emitted by the sun. It is known as visible light. Actually emitted by the sun, the electromagnetic radiation will call it as visible light. Okay, thank you, share and subscribe.